How to find and drive vehicles. Tired of walking? This guide shows you how to find and drive vehicles in darkest days. Look for car icons on your map. Most cars that you find are broken and need parts and fuel. You'll typically need a battery, 4 tires, and a fuel can. These are often found in nearby garages or gas stations. Once repaired, press F to enter the driver's seat. Use WSD to drive and spacebar for the handbrake. On PC, you can press H to toggle the headlights for night driving and left shift for nitro if the car has one. Cars take damage. If you hit too many zombies, the engine will smoke. Use a blowtorch to repair the body and always keep a gas can in the trunk. If you run out of it, the fuel in the middle of a flood, you're in trouble. Now, you're cruising. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days vehicle guides.